All right, welcome back, and it's time to talk about our double stroke roll. Double stroke roll is exactly what it sounds like. It's 2 notes per hand, right? It's twice as much as the single stroke roll. So that means now we're going to be playing right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. So the double stroke roll has some interesting features to it. And again, it's one of the most important rudiments we're going to do in drumming, right? It's one of the foundational rudiments. Double strokes don't need to be overthought. You don't need to think about doing anything weird with your hand right now. I don't want you to think about trying to like push, pull. I don't want you to think about anything other than moving your hand once and getting 2 notes. For now, if you're beginner, all I want you to do is take your hand and then drop it on the drum, relaxed as you can be, and then just pick it up after 2 notes. This is eventually going to turn into a full-on double stroke roll once you add in the rest of the mechanics of your hand, which is a little bit of everything. Right now, when it's slow, you can use a little bit of arm, a little bit of wrist. And it's really important you let the stick bounce. In fact, that's the most important thing, I believe. Okay, so double stroke rolls, practice them slow at first, because they change a little bit the faster you go. At the slow tempos, like we said, you can be nice and relaxed. You can use a little bit of wrist, a little bit of arm, and a little bit of finger, but most importantly, you're letting the stick bounce on the drum. As you get faster, all your motions are going to get a little smaller. Okay, I'm not doing any big, exaggerated motion with my arm and my wrists. Mostly I'm just letting the stick bounce. And as you get even faster than that, everything gets really compact. Okay? And as you get faster, that's when what we practiced with the buzz roll comes into play, because we're going to be using a little bit of fulcrum pressure as well to get a nice fast double. Practice your double strokes nice and relaxed. We're going to do more things with them in the following rudiments, but right now we're just practicing the foundational aspects of them.